Hi, my name is Hannah, and today we will be unboxing the HPE Networking Insinon AP21 bundle.
The AP21 is an affordable indoor Wi-Fi 6 access point from the HPE Networking Instant-On range. Let's get straight to the unboxing. First thing you will notice is that this bundle comes in a retail-friendly packaging. Inside, you will find your installation, configuration and safety guide, startup guide, and safety compliance and warranty information. Here's the access point. We will have a closer look at it later. First, let's see what else is in the box. We have a 3-in-1 mounting bracket. It is designed for fixing onto a standard 14 or 24 mm suspended ceiling T-bar, as well as onto flat surfaces by using the 2 pre-drilled holes. Also included is a 1.5 metre Ethernet cable, which is handy if you want to get started quickly and connect the AP to your network. Here we have a power adapter with country-specific clips, including the one used in Australia. Note that these are only included with the retail bundle SKU. There is nothing else in the box. Now let's have a look at the AP itself. The unit comes in a very compact form factor, weighing only 500 grams. On the front is a removable sticker with the serial number, MAC address and claim code, as well as 2 LED status lights. On the back, and recessed on the side, is the Ethernet port and a power socket. There's a console port and a reset button. You will need a pin to reach it if you ever need to use it. And here is a Kensington security slot. To mount the AP, once the mounting bracket has been installed, you can simply rotate and click the AP into place. To release, squeeze the clips inwards and rotate anti-clockwise. And there you have it. If you found this video useful, please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content. Thank you for watching.